SUPERSCANDI Swedish Dishcloths. The SUPERSCANDI 10-pack Swedish dishcloths offer an eco-friendly, stylish, and highly functional solution for everyday cleaning tasks. Made from 100% biodegradable materials, 70% cellulose wood pulp from sustainable Swedish forests and 30% cotton, these dishcloths are compostable and completely free from plastic and harmful chemicals. Each cloth combines the absorbency of a sponge with the durability of up to 25 rolls of paper towels, making them a sustainable and cost-effective alternative to disposable products. Designed for versatility, these dishcloths excel on any surface, whether you're cleaning the kitchen, bathroom, car, garden, or office. They are food-safe, fast-drying, and odor-resistant, with the ability to be washed and reused up to 50 times in a dishwasher or washing machine. Super absorbent, each cloth can soak up to 20 times its own weight in liquid, handling spills with ease. Beyond their performance, SUPERSCANDI dishcloths stand out for their premium quality and minimalist Scandinavian design. Available in modern colors, they make a thoughtful gift for environmentally conscious individuals who appreciate functional style. Whether for personal use or as a sustainable household gift, these cloths deliver professional-grade cleaning with a minimal environmental footprint. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.